In this question, we are given that the product of x and y is not equal to 0. This means that x is individually not equal to 0 and y is also not equal to 0. We have to check if the cube of x plus the cube of y is greater than 0 or not. Now, one mistake that you can avoid to infer from this inequality is that do not assume the value of y and x to be both greater than 0, because it is possible that one of the magnitudes of x and y is greater than the other and is positive and the other is negative. For example, suppose the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -1. Then the cube of x will be equal to 8 and the cube of y will be equal to -1. In this case, x cube plus y cube will be greater than 0, but we cannot infer from this question if y is greater than 0 or not. Sum of x cube and y cube is greater than 0. So we now move on to step 2 and analyze statement 1. In statement 1, we have that x plus y is greater than 0. Now this is possible when there are two cases. When the value of x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. In that case, the cube of x will be greater than 0 and the cube of y will also be greater than 0, which gives us the sum of x cube plus y cube to be greater than 0. So from this question, we can answer the question stem with a definite yes, that the sum of x cube and y cube is greater than 0. The other possibility for x plus y to be greater than 0 is that suppose x has a higher magnitude than y. Now keep in mind we are discussing about the magnitude and not the sign. Then in this case the value of x cube and y cube will also be greater than 0. And in this case also we can answer the question with a definite yes. So we can say that statement 1 is sufficient, and from the given options we can eliminate options B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2 we have that x, y is greater than 0. Now there can be two cases where the value of x is positive and value of y is also positive, or the value of x is less than 0 and value of y is also less than 0. So in the first case we will have x cube plus y cube to be greater than 0, and in the second case we will have x cube plus y cube to be less than 0. Since we are getting two contradictory answers, we say that statement 2 is insufficient, and the correct answer is option A.